I connected keyboard and mouse to Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. In this video I will show you how to connect keyboard and mouse to Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. First you will need a USB hub. Now connect the keyboard and mouse to the USB port of the USB hub. Now connect the USB hub to the tab. After connecting the USB hub to the tab, the keyboard and mouse will work. Now you can control your tab with the mouse and type with the keyboard. This is how you can connect the keyboard and mouse to Galaxy Tab S10 Lite.